Good morning, my dear students. In our material, worked out example problems. So now, worked out examples. Problem number 6. Problem number 6. Capital A 1 comma 2 comma 3. Capital B 4 comma 5 comma 7. Capital C minus 4 comma 3 comma minus 6. Capital D 2 comma k comma 2 or 4 points or 4 points if the lines if the lines AB and CD are parallel then K is equal to, this is our problem. So write down solution. Given that 4 points. So here given that AB and CD are parallel. First of all, to find DRs of AB. After that, to find DRs of CD. So write down DRs of AB. What is the formula? X2 minus X1 comma Y2 minus Y1 comma Z2 minus Z1. Substitute here 4 minus 1 comma 5 minus 2 comma 7 minus 3, that is equal to 3 comma 3 comma 4. Let us denote here A1 B1 C1. After to find DRs of CD, DRs of CD here by using same formula. So 2 minus of minus 4, 2 plus 4 comma k minus 3 comma 2 minus of minus 6, 2 plus 6. So that is equal to 6 comma k minus 3 comma 8. Here we denote A2, B2, C2. Now, since AB is parallel to CD, what is the condition? Two lines are parallel. Then, what is the condition? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Now, substitute here. A1 means 3 by A2 means 6. That is equal. B1 means 3 by B2 means k minus 3. That is equal. C1 means 4 by C2 means 8. So 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by k minus 3 is equal to 1 by 2. Now equating these two, 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by k minus 3. Now take cross multiplication. K minus 3 is equal to 6. Finally, k is equal to 9. So this is the value of k. Okay, next problem. Problem number 7. Worked out example 7. Worked out example 7. If AB perpendicular to BC, if AB perpendicular to BC, then the value of K, then the value of K, then the value of K, where A 2k comma 2 comma 3, B k comma 1 comma 5, c 3 plus k comma 2 comma 1. So this is our problem. This is our problem. Write down solution. So here AB is perpendicular to BC. First of all, to find drs of AB. After that, drs of BC. So write down drs of AB, that is equal to, what is the formula? x2 minus x1 comma y2 minus y1 comma z2 minus z1. Substitute here k minus 2k comma 1 minus 2 comma 5 minus 3, that is equal to minus k comma minus 1 comma 2. Here we denote a1 b1 c1. Next, to find drs of BC. drs of BC. Same formula. By using same formula, BC 3 plus k minus k, comma 2 minus k, 2 minus 1, comma 1 minus 5. That's equal to minus k plus k cancel, 3 comma 1 comma minus 4. Here we denote A2, B2, C2. Since AB is perpendicular to BC, since AB is perpendicular to BC, two lines are perpendicular, then what is the condition? A1 by A2 plus B1, B2. Sorry, A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 is equal to 0. Substitute here, A1 means minus k. Minus k into A2 means 3. Plus B1 means minus 1. B2 means 1. Plus C1 means 2. C2 means minus 4. That is equal to 0. So here minus 3k minus 1 minus 8 is equal to 0. Minus 3k minus 9 is equal to 0. 3k is equal to minus 9. K is equal to minus 3. This is the value of k. So next, write down next problem. Problem number 8. Problem number 8. Worked out example 8. If the drs of two lines, if the drs of two lines, drs of two lines are given by the equations, or given by the equations 2l minus m plus 2n is equal to 0, and mn plus nl plus lm is equal to 0, then the angle between the two lines is, between the two lines is, this is our problem. So write down solution. Given that the drs of two lines are given by the equations, so given that 2l minus m plus 2n is equal to 0. Comparing with comparing with AL plus BM plus CN is equal to 0. Here A is equal to 2, B is equal to -1, C is equal to 2. And given another equation Mn plus NL plus Lm is equal to 0. Comparing with Fmn GNL plus HLM is equal to 0. Here F is equal to 1, comma, G is equal to 1, comma, H is equal to 1. So H value, G, F value, G value, H value, F value, G value, H value. So 1, 1, 1. So here one condition. Consider F by A plus G by B plus H by C is equal to find this value. So F by A plus G by B plus H by C. So F is equal to 1 by A value is 2, 1 by 2 plus G value is 1 1 by B value is -1 plus C H value is 1 by C value is 2. So that's equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 plus 1 by 2. Finally 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. So therefore F by A plus G by B plus H by C is equal to 0. So the value of this is 0. Whenever satisfying this condition, the angle between two lines is 90 degrees. So therefore theta is equal to 90 degrees or pi by 2. So this is the angle between given two lines. So next, write down next another problem. Next, worked out example, problem number 9. 9. If the DCs of two parallel lines, if the DCs of two parallel lines are given by 2L plus 3M plus Kn is equal to 0 and L square minus M square plus 5N square is equal to 0. Then the values of K are, the values of K are. So this is our problem. Write down solution. DCs of two parallel lines are given by. So given that 2L plus 3M plus Kn is equal to. So this equation comparing with comparing with AL plus BM plus CN is equal to 0. Here A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, C is equal to K. And another equation, and L square minus M square plus 5N square is equal to 0. So this equation comparing with UL square plus VM square plus WN square is equal to 0. Here U is equal to 1, V is equal to minus 1, W is equal to 5. U is equal to 1, V is equal to minus 1, W is equal to 5. Since two lines are parallel, what is the condition? A square by U plus B square by V plus C square by W is equal to 0. So two lines are parallel, then what is the condition? A square by U plus B square by V plus C square by W. So already we know that A value is 2. 2 square means 4. 4 by U means 1 plus B square means 3 square 9 by V means minus 1 plus C square means K square by W means 5. That is equal to 0. So here 4 minus 9 plus K square by 5 is equal to 0. K square by 5, that is equal to 5. K square is equal to 25. Finally, K is equal to plus or minus 5. So the value of K is plus or minus 5. Okay. Thank you.